Hello everyone. Are you wondering what himbo means? Let's explore. Himbo is a term used to describe a man who is attractive and well-meaning but not particularly bright, often emphasizing his physical appearance over intellectual abilities. The word is a blend of him and bimbo, traditionally used for women, but reimagined in a more positive or affectionate light when applied to men. A himbo is often portrayed as kind-hearted and good-natured, though somewhat naive or lacking in complex thought. This term has gained popularity as a way to celebrate men who, despite their simplicity, are endearing because of their looks and gentle personality. Himbo captures the idea of someone who is lovable and charming, even if they are not the sharpest in the room. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.